Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to build a powerful and versatile DIY lab bench power supply using easily available components. Whether you're a hobbyist, a student, or a professional, a reliable power supply is a must-have for your electronics projects. Let's start with the transformer. Next, we'll convert the AC voltage to DC using the GB-J3508 bridge rectifier. The rectifier has 4 terminals, 2 for AC input and 2 for DC output. Connect the AC output from the transformer to the AC input of the rectifier. The positive and negative DC outputs from the rectifier will then be connected to our 2 4700 UF capacitors. These capacitors will filter the rectified DC voltage, reducing the ripple and providing a smoother output. Now that we have a smooth DC voltage, it's time to regulate it. We'll use a step-down buck converter to adjust the output voltage according to our needs. For fine-tuning, we'll add a 10K potentiometer for current adjustment. And a 10K precision potentiometer for voltage adjustment. Connect the 10K potentiometer to the current adjustment terminals on the buck converter and the 10K precision potentiometer to the voltage adjustment terminals. This setup will give us precise control over the output. Connect the positive output from the capacitors to the input of the buck converter. The ground will also be connected to the converter's input ground. This buck converter will allow us to step down the voltage to a desired level, depending on the requirement of our projects. To monitor our output, we'll add a voltage and current meter. This will help us keep an eye on the power supply's performance. Connect the meter's input terminals to the output of the buck converter. This will display the voltage supplied to your circuit. Connect the meter's black thick wire to the ground output of the buck converter. This will display the current supplied to your circuit. And the red thick wire to the negative output of the power supply. Connect the thin red wire to the positive input of the buck converter module. All the circuit connections are shown in the circuit diagram mentioned in the description. With all the components connected, let's mount everything onto a board for a clean and organized setup. Make sure the connections are secure and there are no loose wires. Now it's time to test our DIY lab bench power supply. power it up and adjust the voltage and current using the potentiometers. As you can see, the meter displays our output voltage and current, giving us precise control over our power supply. And there you have it, your very own DIY lab bench power supply. It's versatile, reliable, and perfect for a wide range of electronics projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more DIY electronics projects. Thanks for watching, and happy building.